Hi there, hi everyone, welcome. Welcome today an additional of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's weekend, Saturday, October the 23rd, 2021. We have here in this additional 6 extra puzzles. The letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, the 3-star Sudoku, Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzles. And those puzzles I'm not interested, so total 6 puzzles in this additional. I will do today 3 of them. Those are the 3 stars, the Tectonic, and a binary. And tomorrow on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper on Sunday, so I will do the rest of the puzzles. The letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the Tectonic with 1 star. But first, we will solve this baby, and this will number 3, 5, 7, 8. Yes, 7, 8. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. A 3-star Sudoku has always 25, and for a 3-star Sudoku I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzles. 3 ones, 4 twos, 2 threes, 1 4, 3 5s, 1 6, 2 6s, 4 7s, and 3 8s, and 3 9s. So let me see, with the 6s, no, 2 6, the 5s, 3 5s, no, it's the 7s. Sevens. Let me see. Sevens. No. I cannot do anything with the sevens. How about the twos then? The twos. Yeah. The twos, yeah. The 2 in the 3rd column. The 2 in the first column. So in the column between the 2nd column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. Oh, no. I cannot use the 2 here. Need to wait. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. I need to wait for the 2's. How about the number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 3. We see here 1 and a 3 in this column, so no 1 and a 3 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. Alright. So what are the other numbers? 1 and a 3 and a 2. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. Cannot do anything. So the 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8. That means we have 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 9 are missing in this column. 6 and the 9. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 9. We have a 7 and a 9 in this column, the middle column. So no 7 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. All right. 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 1, 3. All right. Okay. Then. 1, 1. 8 in this column. 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in one of those 3 boxes in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And now we have a pair. 2 and 8 in this row. 2 and 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places for the 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and the 8. All right. 9. Okay. Then. 6, 7, 7. Let me see. 9. 9. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see a 7 in the second column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. We see a 7 in the second row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. So we have a 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. Wait. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. All right. So we have a 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 7. Here we have 1 and a 3, 4 and the 8 are left. 4 and the 8. Okay, 1 and a 3 also. 4, 4, 4. Okay. Then. How about 3, 3, 1, 5. I'm thinking. 2, 2. Okay. How about these two numbers, the first row, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, we have a 6 there, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. These two boxes are 2 and 8. We see here 5, so no 5 in these two boxes. There are 5, no 5 in that box, so 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. Okay. 3 and a 5 in this row, third row. 3 and a 5 in the first row. So the row between, the only two places for the 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. All right. 1 for 3. Okay. All right. Let me think. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 7. So the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. All right. So 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those two boxes. In this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row. So the row between, the only place for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there. I've marked earlier those two boxes with the 6. This box cannot be a 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 6. All right. All right. 2 numbers left in the first column. Those numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. We see a 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. All right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So the last row, only place for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 1. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3 and a 4 is missing, 1 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. 4 in this row, 4 in a row below. So the last row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Okay. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 1. Okay. Then How about two numbers left in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be an 8. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 4. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and the 8. Let me mark those. So here we have a pair, 2 and an 8. So one box left in this column for the number 5. Yeah, 5 is missing. One box left in this row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be an 8. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be an 8. 2 numbers left, the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and the 8, we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow, quicker than my time limit. So is this really a 3 stars? No, it's rather a 2 stars. And I like this one, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later with the second puzzle. It will be a binary puzzle. See you then. Bye-bye for now.